Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have swatches for you on these December releases from MoonShine Mani. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her newest collection that is releasing on December 25th. Of course, because of USPS sending me the packages 2-3 weeks late, I am running a little behind on posting my swatches and my videos. So these polishes should be already available when you are watching my video. And this is the Runners Up 2020 collection. Phoebe decided, based on some suggestions, to create a collection of all or some of the Facebook group collab pictures that were submitted by MoonShine Mani fans, and these were the ones that were the runner-ups for each of the months. Actually, she created 6 polishes for the collection, plus there is one add-on. I will link for you all the details on the collection, dates and discount in the description box, so definitely make sure that you check it out. But if you do have any additional questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. If you do enjoy these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. And you will be watching this video on Christmas or Christmas Day, or probably pretty close to one of these days for Christmas holidays. So I just want to wish everybody Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. Please stay safe, and I hope everybody is able to spend some time with their family. I know it is a little tricky this year, but I hope that everybody can safely be together with their family members and loved ones. Alright guys, I will jump onto the swatch portion now. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for all your support throughout 2020, and I will be back for you with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.